So hi, good evening, guys. It's third day of my English practice, and probably you would have been seen my last video. In my last video, I was narrating you a story of Ramayana, that Hanuman ji was going toward the Lanka, and in between the bay there was a demon which is called as Sursa. She has just caught his shadow, and if she's going to got the shadow of any one of them, he is not going to fly over the ocean. So now he by doing all his wisdom, by using all his wisdom, strength, and all the things, he was now able to just become free from the feast of Surasa. So again he just flew away for the Lanka, and when he started to away, so in between the ocean there he saw that one of the mountain came just in front of his way. So he told, who are you? So that mountain has told him that I am Manak, I am mountain Manak. So Hanumanji asked with him, what you want? So Manak just told him that I don't want anything from you, I am here for you, that you can just have rest on me, then you can proceed for the Lanka. So Hanumanji told him कि dear Manak, thank you so much for the offering me your help, but I cannot settle down on your surface because I am in the mission of searching Sita for Ramji, and without completing my mission I am not going to have the rest. So Manak told them, it's okay sir, if you don't want to take the rest, then it's okay, and he just moved himself away from the way of Hanumanji. So Hanumanji again started just flowing from the above the ocean, and then he reached nearby the Lanka, and there was again he just climbed on a mountain, and from there he looked at the city Lanka, and it was so beautiful because this is the city which was made up of gold, pure 24 carat of gold. This city is made from the gold. When he looked toward the Lanka, he just admired. When he looked toward the Lanka, the dazzling look of Lanka made him feel nice, and then he proceeded toward the Lanka. And when Hanumanji was able to increase or decrease his size because of his Siddhi, Anima, and Lagima. So he just made his size so small like a mosquito, and he started to moving toward into the Lanka. Then suddenly he saw there was again one of the demon named Lankini came to him and said, hey thief, where are you going? I am the just gatekeeper of the Lanka. Without my permission no one can enter into the Lanka. So Hanumanji saw that Lankani is stopping him to go, so he just made his size very big, and he just hit the Lankani with his fist, and she become unconscious by a single feet. And she told to the Hanumanji ki when we was getting this boon from the Brahmaji, then he told me that when one day that day will come when you will be hidden by a monkey, and if the day you will be hidden by the monkey, you just consider it as the end of Lanka. So it's my goodness that I have seen you, so I am going from here, and I came to know that it is the end of Lanka now. And by saying all this, he told one more thing to the Hanumanji, that you are having this nursing Bhagwan's nursing God's symbol in your heart. So remove them from heart and just keep Ramji in your mind, because Narsingh is the god of you can say ki Narsingh is the god of destructions, means his nature is of temperament, and if you will just take him into your head, then you will going to destroy the Lanka in your way. So just remind your god Ramji, who is Maryada Purushottam, and then you can enter into the Lanka. So guys, for today it's over. I will just come tomorrow with more this story, and I will just narrate this story ahead tomorrow again. Thank you so much.